Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I've got an exciting guide for you on how to get the Community tab on YouTube. Now, let's dive into the complete guide. The Community tab on YouTube is a fantastic feature for engaging with your viewers and subscribers. As you can see on my Guide ROM channel, I already have access to the Community tab, making it easy to connect with all of you. However, on my other channel, Tutorial Example, it's currently unavailable. To get the Community tab, there are two main requirements. You either need to have 500 subscribers, or you can enable access to advanced features on your channel. Now, let's explore how to enable advanced features even if you don't have 500 subscribers. Firstly, head to YouTube Studio. Once in YouTube Studio, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. From there, navigate to Channel and then select Feature Eligibility. To enable advanced features, you'll first need to enable intermediate features. This involves verifying your phone number. Once that's done, you can move on to the next step. Now, click on Advanced Features, and you'll see the requirements for access. These include video verification, a valid ID, or a channel history. Choose one of these methods and follow the steps. Once done, you'll gain access to the Community tab. And there you have it. The full guide on how to get the Community tab on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.